Today I want to show you how to add event to your calendar on your Motorola Moto S50. To add your event, open calendar application. In it we must tap on day when we want to add it. Maybe 25th of September. There is this plus icon and event. First step, you can add title of your event what you need. There we can add this event to people, our group on Gmail member. There we can set when event starts and finish in which time, or we can set by switch on it will be all the events. Repeat of that if we need, maybe every month, or don't repeat. There we can add this event to people calendar. We can make video conference when event start, add location of that, notification, and you can add more than one notification. You can change color which we see about this event in our notification. Description and attachment. After you set all you need, you mustn't add everything, press save, and we have it. Thanks for watching, see you soon, bye.